is for apple, juicy and red. B is for butterfly, fluttering ahead. C is for cat, with its soft little purr. D is for dinosaur, big and fierce, rawr. E is for elephant, trunk swinging wide. F is for firetruck, racing with pride. G is for giraffe, neck reaching high. H is for hippo, splashing in the sky. I is for igloo, where penguins play. J is for jellyfish, floating in the bay. K is for kite, soaring up so high. L is for lion, majestic and sly. N is for monkey, swinging from a tree. N is for narwhal, swimming wild and free. O is for octopus, arms twisting round. P is for panda, rolling on the ground. Q is for quokka, with a friendly grin. R is for rainbow, color shining in. S is for sunflower, petals bright and gold. T is for turtle, slow but never old. U is for unicorn, magical and rare. V is for volcano,